Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HBTutorial for your basic setup, installation, configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today we'll do video, we will gonna do an um, logo update and Vicidial color change on our agent screen and admin panel. So first, to update the screen or change the color and logo, I will teach you. Okay, so first you need to log into your admin, and then you can go to the admin, and you can see here the screen color. So from here you can select which screen you if you which screen you want to use. Okay, so we will try. So to apply those screen, okay, so you need to click here, or you need to go to the system settings, and then you can take a look the screen. So this one, the admin screens now is on blue, so we can check the purple and then basic red. So if I submit this one and I will go to here, so you can see my dialer is gonna change to purple. Okay, let's see what is on the agent side. Yeah, this is the agent. See, it's on I think it's other color. Okay, and now uh, this second is how to change the logo. Okay, as you can see here, it will show the logo over here, so we need to change the logo. Okay, so first you need to have a WinSCP, and then configure your this is the WinSCP that I have. Okay, so this is my server already connected. As you can see, our server IP, okay, 1036. So, and then you need to go to the following path. So this one is BCBox 12. So the web directory of the BCBox is on the SRB www htdocs. Okay, so we need to wait to load the file. Okay, and then we can able to okay, htdocs. Okay, so BG dial, and then go to image. So as you can see, this is the BG dial logo, and then we will gonna upload our logo. So logo size, it should be 170 by 44 or 160 by 40. It depends on you, and must be on PNG. And I will upload my logo. Okay, so then I can rename this one. Okay, this is my logo, so I will rename it, and then go HBT logo. Okay, after that you can update the permission. Okay, so I can download this again, so that I can put on the in the agent's logo again. Okay, Same thing, you need to upload the Vicidial logo here. Okay, so change the permission again. Okay. Okay, so after that, you need to go back to the admin. Okay, so this is our the admin. So admin, and then screen color. So we are using purple, so I can modify this one. So we can replace the logo. So as you can see, my logo is there already. So if I submit, so you will see my logo here. Okay, if I refresh the page, so the logo is changed already. How about in the admin? The agent, so it's not yet changed, so we need to update the agent page. So going here, because I using two screen for the agent is basic red, so I'm gonna update again here. Okay, okay, if I refresh, already on the, it's already HB tutorial logo. Okay, so hope you can get it. So once again, this is HBT tutorial. This video is how do you change the color of the BG dial. So you can all see on the screen color. Okay, also on the color for the agent interface. So okay, so hope you are enjoying our video. Once again, this is HBD tutorial, and don't forget to do a like and share and subscribe to our channel so that you always updated on our latest video. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Bye bye.